Hi everyone, and welcome to my video where we're going to be going over what are HTML elements. So let's go ahead and get started. So as mentioned in my previous videos, an HTML element is made up of a beginning tag, so like this, the content, and the ending tag. And as also mentioned in one of my videos, some elements do not contain content, such as break tags or line breaks tags, which are just BR tags, or horizontal line tags, which are HR tags. I'll go over these in a bit. But these do not contain content or ending tags. So no need to close them out like the paragraph element, but they're still, the HR and the BR tags are still considered elements. So let me show you guys the HR tags and the BR tags real quick. So I'll put an HR tag here. Hello world, BR, how are you? I am great. And then horizontal tag, thanks. Save, and then open this up. And here you can see my HR tag is here. This is the line, my HR element. Hello world, and then the BR tag. BR made it go to the next line, so it's a line break. So here you can see that how are you is in the next line after hello world. But I am great, even though it's showing here in the next line, it's not in the next line here because there's no line break element here. And then the HR, here's the other horizontal line, and then thanks. And we'll go over this in more detail in a next video, so be on the lookout for that. So what these elements are called are empty elements. So the BR tag and the HR tag are empty elements, which are elements that don't require content and that don't require an ending tag to them, like this element right here. An image tag, for example, is also an empty element. And if you don't know whether your element requires an ending tag or content within it, there's a lot of documentation out there on Google that you can just Google, and there's a lot of examples where you can see how things that you want to do are implemented. So just for FYI. Now let's talk about nesting the HTML elements. So you may have noticed that I press tab whenever I nest my elements within each other, such as the body element within the HTML element. So the body element here is nested inside of the HTML element. You can kind of see these nests by me doing this. So you can see that, HTML holds the head and the body. So these two are nested within it. And then there's also other elements now nested inside of body. So it's like nest within nest within nest with HTML. And I put a tab in here to signify that the body is nested inside of the HTML. Some people use tabs, some others use 2 spaces, and others even use 4 spaces instead of a tab. But I think tab is just faster and easier to understand and to press. And as I mentioned, all the content for the web page is inside of the body element. And nesting is very common within the programming languages. So you're going to be nesting a lot of elements within each other, a lot of blocks within each other in the server-sided aspect of things. So it's a very good habit to get into by tabbing. So let's say that I didn't tab. Like, look at how unhelpful this would be if I didn't tab. So things are still nested here. Whoops. Things are still nested here within each other, but it's not very clear as to what's nested in what. So just for readability, it's just better to make sure that all of your content is nested properly. So I hope this video helped. If it did, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. All right, everyone, have a good day. Bye.